Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to colorize an image, and what I mean by that is adding a hint of color to the image, or let's say for example you wanted to make your image blue for some reason. So I'm going to show you guys how to go about doing that. So in my opinion, the easiest way to do this would be to start off by creating a new layer, which you can do with the palette in the layer palette, and you can click this icon right here to create the new layer, or you can go to layer, new, and layer, and I'm going to call this layer color, and that created a new layer called color. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go to edit and fill. Normally this selection right here where it says use, it uses the foreground color to fill it. So if you do that, then it'll fill the layer with whatever was on the foreground color of your color well. You can also fill it with a selected color. So what it'll do when you click color, it'll open up a color selector. And so I like this purple, and I'm gonna go with that. But if you want to select another one, then you can move around the slider and move around pointer until you get something that you like. So I'm gonna go back to that purple, and I am going to click OK. And now it's filled that layer with the purple that I selected. And so what I'm going to do with that is go to blending modes, and I'm going to select one that gives me the effect that I like. So the more you use Photoshop, the more you'll know what these will look like with your image. But it's always good to just try something out and see what you like. So for example, overlay, in my opinion, it kind of creates a more saturated or contrasted image, but it still gives that hint of purple because my layer is purple. Screen will create kind of like, it'll make it look like there's light, like a screen of light in front of it, which yeah, I got it directly because it's called screen. And color, pretty simple. It makes everything purple. So every one of these has a different look when you do them. Soft light is one of my favorites because it's almost like overlay, but it's a little more subtle. And the opposite is hard light. Yeah, so not subtle. But yeah, I really like this one. But for this image, I think I'll go with lighten, just because I like this kind of look. And yeah, so if you're satisfied with that image, you can save it. I'm not really gonna save it, or you can add more effects, maybe add text, or you know, change your main layer, maybe add contrast or something. And I might show you how to do that in another video, but that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.